The front-facing fascia boards are added once the roofing material has been completely installed. However, before fitting them to the roof, we need to attach the windbrace trim to the boards. These trims need to be cut to size and screwed to the fascia board using 35mm screws to form an upside-down L shape, as shown here. Once the windbrace is screwed on, push the fascia boards down onto the roofing material, which is overhanging the edge of the roof, and use 50mm screws to secure the board to the purlins. For an insulated roof, the process is the same, but you may find that you need to insert the screws into the purlins at an angle. Before moving on to the internal apex trim, we need to attach the trapezoid block to the fascia boards with 35mm screws. This decorative piece will cover up the edges where the two fascia boards meet, giving the roof a neat appearance.